scanned PDFs are image-based. You cannot simply search through them or copy or edit the text. You need to convert them first into editable Word documents. I will show you two ways to do it. The first one is free and inbuilt. The second one is professional and will fix all the downsides. So this is a blank Word document. Open the Insert tab, then open the Object ribbon in the top right corner and select Text from File. Select your scanned PDF. This is just a pop-up where it is saying that it might take a while and we might have some formatting issues. Now I will show you what the document is actually supposed to look like. So this is the scanned PDF and this is what Word created. So you can see it is almost there, but we do have some formatting issues here on the left hand side. It's supposed to be one page. It's actually on 2 pages here. So you can edit this text. You do have this, but formatting is lost. And this brings me to the professional option. So what you need is an Adobe Pro alternative with a generous free plan like Tenosha. So you can either get it for Windows or for Mac. And then you can download a free copy to your laptop or your computer. This is Tenosha interface. Just click OCR PDF, select your file, you can select the page range here, and then click Perform OCR. And now wait for the magic to happen. So this is the file, it was supposed to be 1 page, and it is. Let's make it a little bit bigger, and you can see that I can select and edit all the text however I want. Tenosha also supports batch conversion, and everything here is offline, meaning that your documents are private and safe. All in all, Microsoft Word is a great option for basic and occasional use. But if you're looking for a professional solution that is reliable, that your formatting is going to be spot on, that you can do batch conversions as well, then I would check out Tenosha. The link is in the description down below, and it will give you the easiest and fastest way to convert your scanned PDFs into editable Word documents.